Are you struggling to make the most of your small or tiny kitchen? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many people face the challenge of decorating a small kitchen to make it functional and beautiful. In this video, we will explore some creative and practical ideas to help you transform your small kitchen into a space that's both stylish and efficient. Utilize the vertical space in your kitchen by installing shelves or hanging racks. This will not only provide extra storage but also give your kitchen a trendy, open look. You can use these shelves to store spice, stainless, or even small plants to add a touch of greenery. Open shelving can make your kitchen feel more spacious and airy. It also allows you to display your beautiful dishware or cookingware, adding a decorative element to your kitchen. Light colors such as white, cream, or light gray can make your kitchen appear larger and brighter. Consider painting your cabinets and walls in these shades to create an illusion of space. Mirrors can visually expand to small space by reflecting light and creating the illusion of depth. You can place a mirror on a wall or cabinet door to make your kitchen feel more spacious. Choose furniture pieces that serve multiple purposes, such as a kitchen island with storage underneath or a table that can be folded down when not in use. This will help you save space and make your kitchen more functional. Good lighting can make a small kitchen feel more inviting and functional. Consider installing under cabinet lighting to illuminate your countertops and make meal preparing easier. Look for compact and efficient appliances that are designed for small kitchens. For example, a slim refrigerator or a combination microwave and convection oven can help you save space without compromising on functionality. Inject some personality into your small kitchen by adding a pop-up color. You can do this by painting an accent wall, adding colorful accessories, or using vibrant textile or curtains or chair cushions. Clutter can make a small kitchen feel cramped and chaotic. Keep your countertops clear of unnecessary items and use storage solutions such as baskets or bins to keep your kitchen organized. Less is more when it comes to decorating a small kitchen. Embrace a minimalist approach by keeping only the essential and avoiding unnecessary decoration for furniture. By implementing these small kitchen decoration ideas, you can create a functional and stylish space that suits your needs and lifestyle. Remember, a small kitchen doesn't have to feel cramped and uncomfortable. With the right choices, you can make it a cozy and inviting space to cook and entertain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.